If you're looking to cut down lag and stabilize your online games, two names you'll come across are Gearup Booster and Lagofast, but they go about it in slightly different ways. Let's begin with Gearup. Gearup uses what it calls adaptive intelligent routing to find faster network paths between you and the game server. It supports over 1,000 games on PC and on mobile, and offers a quick one-step setup, even throws in extras like RAM cleanup for smoother performance. On mobile, it's quite straightforward. Basically what it does is you pick your game, hit boost, and you're in. But on macOS, support is limited, and some users say results are inconsistent, sometimes lowering ping, sometimes not making a difference at all. Pricing starts after a free trial, and you'll need to enter payment info up front. Now, Lagofast takes a broader approach. It supports over 2,000 games across PC, mobile, and console, and pairs its ping optimization with FPS boosting, lobby matching, and graphic tuning tools. It uses multipath connections and a large global server network in over 60 countries, giving you more options for routing and speed. Setup is just as simple. Select your platform and game and hit boost, but you get more built-in performance tools to tweak. Pricing is pay-as-you-go after a trial, which can make it more flexible for occasional use. So which is better? If you want a simple mobile-friendly booster and don't mind, mixed results, Gearup may be enough. But if you're looking for more features, wider platform support, and a bigger global network, Lagofast might give you the edge. Have you tried either one? Drop your experience in the comments. Real gamer feedback beats marketing claims any day.